Good evening and namaskar to all of you. On the behalf of Doordarshan News Assam, I extend my heartfelt gratitude and my wishes to you all on International Women's Day. It is a matter of great pride for us that you people could take time out of your schedule and be present with us today to celebrate the event. I am extremely grateful to all the inspiring women, especially our guests and invitees, those who have come here today. We'll be having their sessions also shortly. So I'm extremely grateful to you also for accepting our invitation and gracing the event. But before I say anything else, I also would like to say that I think all the women out here today are looking absolutely gracious and wonderful. So I would request everyone to please give a big round of applause to all the women out here. But just to be safe at home when I return, let me also add one point here that the prettiest lady in the house is for me today and always is my wife. She is also present here, Pavni Gupta. So now, when we talk about International Women's Day, it is an event to celebrate women empowerment or to discuss about what are the things required to let women prosper. But I often see in media and there is a general notion that if women have to be empowered, they have to basically fight against men. So it's always quoted as if it is men versus, it's a battle between men versus women. So I do not really conceive to this idea that it is a men versus women. We must have, for example, we have always heard that behind a successful man, there is always a woman. But let me also add one more point here that behind every successful woman, there are also many men who have supported her throughout. For example, her father who gave her wings, her brother who has supported all throughout, her colleagues and her husband. So that is my only advice to you all, that if the society has to truly prosper, then men and women have to come together to create a better society. And also, like speaking on the behalf of DD News, last year was a fantabulous year for us all. The success story of DD News Assam is something I really take pride in. Last year, our social media platforms, we had clocked more than 120 million views last year across all the platforms. And I sincerely feel the credit for the same goes to my women team at DD News. They are basically the inspiration, they are the driver, and I sincerely say that we are a women-led and women-run organization. I do not need to look out anywhere for inspiration. I just look at them and their work basically inspires me every single day. So I would request everyone to please give a big round of applause for my team at DD News Assam. Whether it is anchoring, whether it is reporting, whether it is working in the office, I think they are doing a fantabulous job and it is being shown in our results also. And last but not the least, there is a very beautiful saying by Michelle Obama that there is no limit to what we as a women can achieve. So I sincerely agree to the fact that women are actually limitless. We cannot confine them. We should give them wings to fly. And at the last, I would just I would want to dedicate one song to all the women out here. There is a song by A.R. Rahman in the movie Ranjana, which says that Rehna tu hai jaisa tu, which basically means stay the way you are. You are beautiful the way you are. So once again, I would request, and once again, I extend all my wishes to all the beautiful women and men all on the International Women's Day. और अब डॉली मुझे घूर रही क्योंकि उसने 2 मिनट दिए थे, so I think 2 मिनट हो गए हैं, so I should get off the stage and look forward to all the sessions we have. Thank you once again.